Right, so what's going on today?
Well, as you can see, if you look here, that rubber bumper is not hitting properly.
Yeah.
So
Bent, is that supposed to be like that?
this is bent.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chunk of iron in here,
Yeah.
and I'm going to weld it.
Okay.
Then I'm going to jack this up, so if I can,
Yeah.
so it's straight like this.
Yeah.
So it hits the bumper properly.
Okay, so those rubbers there, that one looks damaged. Do you
Yeah,
gotta...
no, that'll be okay.
Okay.
It'll work.
So,
Somewhere we gotta call an end to this.
okay. So,
We got other shit to do.
what else did you get done today? Anything in the back there, or?
No, nothing else in the back there. I got, I started making these covers because I'm short two of them, eh?
Yeah.
And this is what they look like.
Yeah.
So I gotta make them, eh?
Okay.
And then I gotta hook up a ground wire from here to that bolt, eh?
Which bolt?
Right here.
Okay, yeah.
So that we have a ground to the motor.
Okay.
And then this one here will go to the other battery.
Okay.
But as it ever start good, the only thing is I don't want him hot rodding it, eh?
Yeah. Dad also filled in the holes here. I don't know if I pointed this out the other day. He filled in the holes with just some reflectors. He had an option here of like cutting the hole, or like because those holes were the previous gas tank holes, but he just found some reflectors that work.
Okay, this is the problem. If I weld those holes, the plate shut,
Yeah.
it's gonna burn the paint. Then I have to make something here again that's painted.
Yeah.
So this covers it, and I'm gonna make two rubber covers here that are compression fit over here.
Yeah.
So snow and stuff can't get in, and that's done. But just
Okay.
listen now.
Okay.
You stand there and you
Will
hear
do.
that electric fuel pump. When it quietens down, like right now,
There you go.
that's the difference with electric fuel pump. You got fuel to the carburetor right away.
Okay.
So that's it for today.
Okay. And
Welding tomorrow morning.
okay. Welding tomorrow morning. I haven't been as active out at the shop here. Been busy with a bunch of work, so you're just getting the end of day updates here, guys. But hope to be back out here more to get better videos for you guys. Okay, how do you like the progress so far? Is the customer going to see this before snow flies?
Yes, the customer has to have this for the snow flies. He's got to take it home and get ready to go to work.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll keep updating you.